Hi, just making a video about the modification I did to computer code we received. As you see, we're in a mode of Magic 2 clock, where before all LEDs were flashing on and off. I modified the code to achieve a Night Rider effect. And another modification what I did was the multiplexer is being controlled by 2-bit counter register, so there's no need to use two switches on the right over here. We're using only key 1, and the order which it goes around is basically clock, arithmetic, logical, and comparison, right? So if I press key 1, we go to arithmetic, to logical, comparison, back to clock, back to arithmetic, right? So for instance, we have first input 4, second input 2, right? This is the order of which the computer calculates and throws the result in binary on LEDs, right? So by controlling the switches on the left, switch 8 and switch 8 and 9, these are the combination. Now it's set to multiplication, right? So 9 1 and 8 0, 9 1 8 0, and this is the way it multiplies. 4 by 2 is 8. In binary it's 1 0 0 0. Okay, if I switch, let's say for addition, so that would be all both switches 0, so we get binary 0 1 1 0. If we add to these numbers, 0 1 1 0 is 6. If we go to division, right, so we put them all high, put switch 8 and 9 high, and we get number 2, which is 0 1 0 0, and 4 divide 2. Just for instance, if we check what's 8 is, so just to prove, let's say division 8 divide 4 would be, so division 2 switches up and 8 is the 4th bit is high, so we have 8 divide 2 is 0 0 1 0, and this is, if we put it to calculator, for instance, so 0 1 0 0 is decimal 4, so 8 divided 2 equals 4, which is true. Okay, so this proves that arithmetic function works. I tested all functions. I didn't have any trouble, apart as one of the students highlighted, we don't see result on 7 segments, but that could be a next challenge. Okay, thank you.